Hello friends, good afternoon. As you see that I am here at this place. This is a small orchard you can say, and here there are trees of guava. Guava trees are here, and with guava trees there are more trees like this. This is already, I don't need to tell you, banana tree. And watch this video till the end because I am going to tell you something different that you might not know, or I don't know about that, but unique things always matter and you must see them, observe them. You must eager to know about that kind of things. The tractor is running over there and the tractor is making noise. And in the village, these are, you can say, our fields, and this is the pipe for pulling the water from the tube well, that is called submersible. And this is the tube well, this is called sumps, in which the water comes, collects, and then go to other fields to that is called irrigation. And this is the pipe, I don't know for what it is here. And my friend, that one, he is eating guavas because he is hungry of guava always. I don't think so that he would eat, oh my god, chapati. Or I'm bit shocked that this banana tree is broken. Actually, what happens in the village, you see these bananas, it seems to me that some nonsense person have done this because they broke it. They should not have broken it, but they broke it. What we can do in this case now? These people must have common sense that these trees always give us a lot of things. Fruits. All people love fruit. They eat it, but I don't have any word to describe that kind of people. They harm trees. Tree never harms us, but we people harm everything. I don't expect that kind of things to happen in life. But guavas are here. This is a small kind of orchard, and I will show you something. Beautiful things are here. Guavas are lying on the ground, and this is very dense, and insect voice you can hear. Oh my god, what is this thing? This is unique thing that I showed. I am seeing first time. Wow, it is really nice, really nice. I can't tell you about it. I don't know what is that. But let me show you guavas. See, this guava is big guava, and there are lots of. This tree is of pomegranate tree, and now I have to climb the tree somehow, and the way is very difficult, and there might be snakes. I need to see properly, otherwise it might be a big mistake of me. There is a nest here. I don't know there is something or not. I think there is nothing here in this. No egg, no chicken. Yes, let's go. But where is the way to go? Come. Don't afraid. If I don't afraid, you need not to afraid. This is ripened guava, but eaten by some birds. And this, my friend, is always hungry. He is always on the trees, and I have to also climb, holding my camera in my hand. Can you please help me? Don't cover the camera display. Yes, I am going to climb. Climbing on the tree is a fun. I will show you. Oh my god, few things from here. See guavas, trees. Look, I am. See his face. He is eating guava. He is always hungry. His stomach is always empty. Few people, two guys, had already come here before us, and I think they enjoyed the guavas over here because I didn't see any guava here. But I will pluck one or two to fill my stomach because guavas are full of energy. Bye guys, thanks for watching. And I can see guavas here ripen. Bye guys, thanks for watching.